Alright guys, welcome back to Draw Along. Let's do another drawing. Just flip the page here. And today we're going to draw let's draw a cat. Alright, everything in focus? Yeah, it looks like it. Alright. Again, just two little eyeballs. Boop. Boop. And then a nose. A little upside down triangle. And little mouth lip thingies. I'm drawing with mine of like a football shaped head. Maybe not. Let's go down like that. Okay. And we have a little cat. Name is Piper. I really can't tell what the patterns is. She's got a bunch of spots, so we're gonna give her some spots like that. And an ear. And another ear. We'll put a little detail on the ear. Let's put a little detail up here, a little fur. And then of course, whiskers. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then for the neck and down to the body. Actually, we're gonna swoop it. Let's go like that. No, let's not do that. I don't like that. Let's get rid of some of these lines. Alright, let's have it go like that. It's kind of the belly. Belly back that way. Okay. The little feets. Just gonna make a little bit of a paw coming out. Just like that. Elbow. Gonna clean up some lines again. Bring it through here. I think I'm gonna redraw that paw. Paw seems a little messy. So bring that line back up for the neck. Back side. Bring paw over. Do the paw again on that side. Alright. Around the back side there again. And just some little paw prints. And that back leg like that. That looks really silly. I don't like that at all. Alright, erase. And I feel like that foot's down too far. It's alright. We'll fix it. That's typically why I draw so light in the beginning. Because I'm always feeling like I'm adjusting things. Excuse me, allergies. That's kind of why I stay pretty light. That's why I feel kind of funny watching those other drawing videos where they're doing it with a Sharpie. Like, there's no way I could commit like that drawing a picture with a Sharpie. That's why we're going to use the pencil. I'm pretty sure Piper has some rings on her tail. Spot on her back. Okay. You do something like something's going on with this leg. I'm not liking it. But that's alright. No big deal. Let's bring it out. No, not out. Oh, it's gotta go up that way. If I go out, it looks funny. Does it? Yeah, I think so. Alright, back to the eraser. Again, that doesn't look right. That's not right in the area. Let's go that. Go over. Maybe it needs just a little bit of a kind of like they're on their toes, which they are. Alright, we'll go with that. That looks alright. That and that back foot down there too. There we go. There's Piper. Shade that back foot in. Shade this front foot in. Okay, and like I did last time, let's put a little bit thicker line around the whole cat. Like that. Fix that other line later. Here we go. Keep doing those lines. Get back to the tail in a second. Oh, missed. It's okay. That's okay. All right, there we go. Now she has darker spots. Let's make this ear darker too. There we go. There's a cat. Oh my gosh, sorry it's so small over in this area. That's just what we get. All right, see you next time.